Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Pihole. Pihole is a network-wide ad blocker that filters unwanted content at the DNS level, protecting all devices connected to your network. It enhances privacy, improves browsing speed, and provides detailed statistics through an easy-to-use web interface. First, install a supported operating system. You can run Pihole in a container or deploy it directly to a supported operating system using the automated installer. Next, install Pihole. The intelligent, automated installer will ask you a few questions and then set everything up for you. Once the installation is complete, proceed to the next step. Use Pihole as your DNS server by configuring your router's DHCP options to make clients use Pihole as their DNS server, or manually set each device to use Pihole as its DNS server. It blocks ads everywhere, even on the go. By pairing your Pihole with a VPN, you can enable ad blocking on your cellular devices, which helps conserve bandwidth and data usage. Pihole provides network-wide protection by installing it in one place, eliminating the need for browser plugins or separate software on each computer. It blocks in-app advertisements through network-level blocking, allowing you to block ads in mobile apps and on smart TVs, regardless of the hardware or operating system. Since ads are blocked before they are downloaded, network performance improves and feels faster. The web interface gives you full control of your Pihole and provides a central location to view statistics, with an API available for extending these stats. In addition to blocking advertisements, Pihole has an informative web interface that displays statistics on all the domains being queried on your network. Pihole works well with an existing DHCP server, but you can also use Pihole's built-in DHCP server to keep all your network management in one place. You can fine-tune your experience by managing white lists and black lists for domains, and extend this capability further using powerful reject statements. Let's talk about the pricing, pros and cons. Pihole is free and open source. The only cost is for hardware, such as a Raspberry Pi, which ranges from $35 to $60. On the positive side, Pihole offers free, network-wide ad blocking and is highly customizable. On the downside, it requires technical setup and ongoing maintenance, and some ads may still bypass DNS-based blocking. Here we will see its customer reviews. Pihole works well for network-wide ad blocking, speeds up browsing, and has strong community support. Users appreciate being able to see hidden trackers and protect all devices on their network. However, some ads may still appear, certain websites or apps can break due to overblocking, and setup can be tricky for non-technical users. In my opinion, Pihole is legit because it is a widely used, open-source network-wide ad blocker with a strong community and transparent development. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.